Rosalind Franklin was a brilliant scientist whose groundbreaking work in chemistry and crystallography played a vital role in one of the most important scientific discoveries of the 20th century: the structure of DNA. Born on July 25, 1920, in London, England, Franklin showed an early aptitude for science and mathematics. Despite the barriers faced by women in academia during her era, she pursued a career in research with determination, becoming one of the most skilled X-ray crystallographers of her generation. After earning her doctorate in chemistry at Cambridge University, Franklin spent several years in Paris at the Laboratoire Central de Service Chimique de l'État. There, she mastered X-ray diffraction techniques, which allowed scientists to study the atomic structure of complex molecules. This expertise became central to her future work on DNA. In 1951, Franklin joined King's College London, where she was tasked with applying her crystallography skills to the study of DNA. Using X-ray diffraction, Franklin produced highly detailed images of DNA fibers. Among them was the now famous Photo 51, an image that provided crucial evidence of DNA's double helix structure. Her meticulous data demonstrated that DNA had two strands forming a helical structure with bases on the inside, findings that directly contributed to James Watson and Francis Crick's model of DNA. Unfortunately, Franklin's contributions were not fully recognized during her lifetime. Without her permission, Maurice Wilkins, a colleague at King's, showed Photo 51 to Watson. This data provided the missing piece that allowed Watson and Crick to construct their famous model, published in 1953. While Watson, Crick, and Wilkins went on to receive the Nobel Prize in 1962, Franklin's role remained largely unacknowledged until years later. Beyond DNA, Franklin made remarkable contributions to science. After leaving King's College, she joined Birkbeck College in London, where she conducted pioneering work on viruses, including the structure of the tobacco mosaic virus and the polio virus. Her research laid foundations for structural virology, a field essential to modern medicine. Franklin's career was tragically cut short when she died of ovarian cancer on April 16, 1958, at just 37 years old. Many believe her illness may have been linked to her constant exposure to X-ray radiation, a hazard of early crystallography work. Despite her short life, Franklin's legacy has grown immensely in the decades since her passing. She is now celebrated as a trailblazing scientist whose precision and brilliance were vital to one of humanity's greatest scientific achievements. Today, Rosalind Franklin stands as a symbol of perseverance, excellence, and the fight for recognition in a field where women were often overlooked. Institutions, research centers, and awards now bear her name, ensuring that her contributions to science and the understanding of life's most fundamental molecule will never be forgotten.